chicken pot pie with Old Bay biscuits. In the pan, we have the Trinity, which is bell pepper, so green or red or both, onion, and celery. And that's cooking down with a little salt and pepper and some butter. So we just get it going, 5 to 7 minutes. So we hold off a bit, and then we throw in our garlic. And we're gonna throw in a couple tablespoons of fresh thyme. And a couple of fresh bay leaves. Smells great already. So now we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of flour. And give that a spin. And then we're ready to start adding our liquids. We're gonna add a few cups of chicken bone stock, which is what I'm using, or chicken broth, or chicken stock in a box from your pantry. We're going to add about a cup of half and half for cream. And let that also not only help thicken it up, of course, but give it that kind of sweet edge, because we're going to add hot sauce. So a little hot sauce. I like Frank's Red Hot is a fave. Give that a little stir. Now, if your rotisserie chicken just came home from the market and it's still warm, you can literally just take all of the chicken, shred it, and drop it right into the casserole, and then pour the sauce over top, and then top it with biscuits. If you bought it the day ahead, or prepared it before you went out for the day, and it's got a little chill on it, drop it into the creamy, spicy gravy, and just let it heat through for a minute. We're gonna transfer our casserole base over to the casserole dish, just for fun. You could really just make it right in that thing, because it's cast iron. The casseroles are friendly. Oh. He looks yummy. And I love this part. I make my own biscuits a lot, several times a year. I make dumplings, biscuits, all kinds of things. But there is something to be said for the childlike, you know what I'm, right? For the childlike joy of popping open the doodad. I know. It's so stupid, but I love it. It's really... We top our casserole with our little pop-up biscuits. Okay. You're so cute. But I'm still gonna eat you. And then they gotta have some extra flavor. Old Bay. A good fat sprinkle of Old Bay on all of our biscuits, and then we pop them in the oven. Okay, so here's a little parsley. And then I'm gonna put one biscuit over here, and I'm gonna do a little maneuvering so I can get a lot of chicken and gravy. I know. And then we're gonna pop our other biscuit on top, because everybody's gonna want to